Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 PRO, and in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate screen on this laptop. To do that, first open the Start menu and go to Settings, then go to System, select Display, and here in Display Orientation section, expand the list and select the orientation that you want to use. For example, portrait. Once you select another orientation, you'll have 15 seconds either to keep changes or revert them. If you don't do anything within these 15 seconds, they will be reverted, so let's keep them. Now if you want to return to landscape orientation, just expand this list again and select landscape and then keep changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.